Can you see yourself in the 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe? With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Hyundai Santa Fe. With bold, modern looks, standard infotainment, and the latest safety features. This spacious, versatile midsize crossover infuses every drive with comfort and confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, satellite radio, electronic stability control. Get the comfort, features, and style you deserve. This Santa Fe is waiting to take you places. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.